Well, folks, the old truck is acting funny. I've got a... Yesterday the truck was overcharging and the gauges were all flipping on and off and going to nothing, and then the amperage gauge was going up all the way to the top like it was overcharging. And then this morning I came out and the battery was dead. So I'm figuring out that I'm charging the battery now. If you put this on, bring this one up here, everything is turned off, but it still makes a little spark. So we got to draw somewhere. So right now I'm charging up the battery, and what we're looking at, as originally I thought the alternator was bad, because it was overcharging, which would be the voltage regulator, which is built into the alternator. You see the belt and the pulley on the front there. There's the alternator. If you look close, there's a bolt right at the top right there that comes out. There's two bolts at the bottom down here underneath the pulley. Don't know if we can see them. I'll take those two bolts out, and then you got to release the pulley down here to loosen up the belt. So I need to drop the belt off, release it from the pulley, take those three bolts out, and disconnect the two plugs on top of it to get the alternator out. But first, we're going to charge this battery up and see if we can get it started normally. What happens is inside the voltage regulator there's a diode that goes bad, which can cause a draw on the battery while it's sitting. And your voltage regulator can also not charge your battery, but it can overcharge your battery if it goes bad. So my thought is the voltage regulator is bad, or the diode's bad in the battery, in the alternator, and I believe it's the alternator. So we'll see what we got to do here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get this thing charged up and go from there.